If you're in the market for some solid protection for your factory seats, these Elite Ballistic seat covers for the 11 to 18 JK are going to be right up your alley. We also have a set for the 07 to 10 JKs, so make sure you get the right ones for your Wrangler. These are some of the strongest seat covers that we offer at the moment because of the crazy tough nylon that they're made of, and these will be great if you don't want your factory seats to see that wear and tear. The nylon is going to last for years with no rips or tears like other fabrics and can really stand up to some abuse. I'd like to mention that these will not be waterproof, but they will be pretty good at deflecting any lighter spills from getting to your fabric. I would say that these are more for protection and not style, but the ballistic material will give a very upgraded military appearance to the interior of the Jeep. If you weren't looking to keep them on all the time and just wanted to use these for the trail, they're very easy to take off, clean, and then stow away. Speaking of the install, I would definitely give this a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, taking you a total of 20 minutes to install the front and the back. The nylon that I mentioned is a 1200 denier woven material that's going to be more durable than really any other seat covers that we offer right now. A lot of other seat covers that we offer are made from neoprene and fabric material that can rip and fray very easily from wear and tear. The nylon is thick for strength to take some long-term abuse, but Rugged Ridge really did do a good job at keeping comfortability in mind as well. Also, you won't have to worry about these fading when your top is off sitting in the sun because they're UV resistant. Keep in mind, because these are nylon, they're not going to have as much give like other fabrics, and they're not going to have an elastic tight fit. These do have a very impressive fit for nylon, but if you were looking for a more tight and form-fit design, I would recommend to check out some of our neoprene options. Right now, we have 2 options for these seat covers, just the front or the front and the back. The front is going to run you right around $180, and for both sets, you're looking at about $350. These aren't the most expensive seat covers on our site right now, and in my opinion, these are pretty average in price for a good seat cover. If you're looking for a more lower budget option with the overall same material, Rugged Ridge offers a ballistic seat cover that's made of a lighter weight nylon for a little over $100 less. I definitely would say that this is a good investment considering the long-lasting material that you're getting, and the seat covers would definitely pay themselves off in the long run by protecting your stock fabric from any mud or any wear. Like I mentioned, this is going to be a breeze at 1 out of 3 wrenches and should only take you about 20 minutes to get them on. The front is going to be one piece, so all you have to do is take the headrest off and slide the seat cover over the top portion of the seat. After you shimmy everything in place, there are a couple of straps and hooks that you have to attach and connect underneath the seat. Same instructions go for the back, although the bottom and top portion are separate. Lastly, slide the headrest covers over and Velcro them down, and you can enjoy your new seat covers. So if you're looking for some heavy-duty protection to your factory seats, this Rugged Ridge Elite Ballistic seat covers are going to be a great option for you and your 11 to 18 JK. This is Meredith with XT, and for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.